Hey guys, welcome back to the 365 Days of SEO. This is Christian Bullock. Today we're going to be talking about a how to SEO topic, and that is how to disallow pages from being indexed in search engines. So first and foremost, why would you want a page not to show up in search engines? Well, a couple of reasons. First, let's say it's like a thank you page for a lead form. You don't want that page to show up in search engines because if you're using Google Analytics and you're tracking a goal, if a user can get to that page organically and they just click on it, then you kind of have some inaccurate reporting going on. Second of all, it could be that you have a form people need to fill out for a certain asset. And when they fill out the form, the user goes to a new page that has a link to that asset. You don't want those pages showing up in search results anyway as well. So you want to disallow pages like that to show up in search engines. And how you can do that is actually two different things of which I recommend you implement both. First, you want to use a robots meta tag to disallow search engines from indexing your website or following it. So essentially a robots meta tag that is a no index meta tag. Second thing you can do is add that URL in your robots.txt file. So robots.txt file, which we've covered previously, is a file that's placed on the root of your domain, so domain.com/robots.txt, and it sort of tells search engines, okay, here's where my sitemap file is located, go grab that, look at all my URLs on my website, and hey, search engine, I don't want you to include these specific URLs or URLs contained in a subfolder, etc. in your search engine result pages. So I recommend doing both just because generally if you do one or the other, it'll actually work, and search engines are really great in actually following that advice. So using that meta robots tag and saying, hey, I want you no indexing this. But again, sort of a fail-safe just to make sure you're covered on both angles there. So that's how you disallow search engines from indexing certain web pages of your website. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in this YouTube video or on my website, which is going to be linked to in the description for this video. Again, this is Christian Bullock, 365 Days of SEO, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.